I'd love to find out if that's true, though, you guys.
It's actually the left of it is 277.
Researchers, I'm nervous about this answer. No, that's not right.
Researchers, if we find something, can you tell us?
By work.
Do you know what town they live in? No. There's a little town. We also have one more.
My kids, can everybody right now type in Illinois River into a Google search field and then go on Google Images? Type in Illinois River and go into Google Images, please.
Tucker, seriously.
Look at these images and try to see if you see where the Illinois River's furthest extent is. And why don't you see if we can figure out if we're within 50 miles of that. Right now I'm looking at the fourth picture that comes up when I Google it.
Me too.
Can you guys click on that and see if we're within 50 miles of the northern part of that?
Are you guys ready? We have we answered the question wrong before that you guys asked on the 50-mile radius.
Okay.
So we Googled it and we actually are in a 50-mile radius of the Illinois River.
So kiddos, I'm not upset with you, but do you see how maybe we could work harder at that one?
Yeah.
I think we handled, like we Googled it, and we took our first answer that looked like it could be right. So that's an example of when you got to double check your sources a little bit.
But it was like
I think it was telling us how long the river was when we Googled it. So can we be really careful to make sure that we maybe look at an image of the river? Or, like let's use different resources. I first went to maps, but then I went to images. And images was better.
You guys have a follow-up now.
Okay. Are you guys east of Interstate 39?
Are we east of Interstate 39? I'm going to give us a minute for a second. Today we actually have more flexibility in our schedule than normal. Nobody ever checks out the computers on Wednesday. That's good.
We have water, earth, and
Are you guys ready?
Wait.
Yes, we are east of Interstate 39. Are you guys ready? Are you guys ready?
And have you typed your question into the Google Doc?
Do you guys live in Middletown?
Do you think there's a way to, instead of...
It's your turn.
Solarz.
Is there a landmark in our area?
What would you guys consider like a landmark? Something that would be on TV or something that would be in the newspaper?
Like the America, Washington Monument, and good stuff.
Like the Mall of America.
Tourists.
Oh, tourists.
Oh yes, we do.
Like their county.
What would you guys consider? By near, do you mean in our town?
No.
Why would you want to know about stuff?
Oh, yes.
Yes, in our town.
Yes, in town.
Yes.
I have some landmarks in my town.
That's like
I mean,
Kiddos, do you think we have any landmarks in our town? Don't say what they are, but what would you say if they're, well, don't say what they are, but come here and tell me if you think we have one. Okay. Okay. I guess I would, the one that they're whispering to me is kind of a landmark.
how did that stack up to the Mall of America, the Statue of Liberty and stuff?
It doesn't, but it's a landmark. They're right. I didn't think of it. I would say we have one that might be known outside of our state. What, can you guys tell them that though, please? That maybe we have one landmark that might be known
Are you
outside.
guys ready?
Yes.
We may have one,
We also have.
but it doesn't live up to the Statue of Liberty.
Well, there's Woodfield Mills.
It's not big really, but it's
It's in
it's kind of
Big in size.
It's big in size.
Maybe not big in popularity.
It's not big in popularity.
big in size.
So does that make it our question then?
Yeah.
Questioners, I feel like we should know their town by now. What's going on?
They know what it is.
Okay, let's check if that's right. Let's check.
What's the landmark they were talking about? Oh, that's the Arlington horse track.
And kids, we're almost out of time, so pretty soon we're going to have to just say thank you because we're
Are
running
you
out.
guys ready? Do you guys live in Middlefield?
Yes.
Good job, guys. We got Middlefield, Connecticut.
Guys, do you want us to continue guessing?
Tell them we have maybe 5 minutes.
We have like 5 minutes. Do you want us to try to guess where your school is?
you guys.
Yeah,
Or do you want it, why don't we let them try to guess our town?
Or do you just guys want to guess our town and we'll just like we'll just answer you and then you guess it first?
You guys want to take some extra time to ask a few extra questions to find our town?
Yes.
Okay. All right, so go ahead. You guys will get all the questions for a while. Just because we're almost out of time, kiddos.
Does your county start with an L?
No.
Not what they're having their next. I'm going to look for having their next.
All right. What we're going to do is we're going to use computers next for our Watery Earth. We're going to continue that blog thing we did yesterday. So I give you permission to start working on the blogs while we finish up this, but be respectful when it's time to say goodbye and whatever else, be ready to come. But iPads we're kind of done with, but laptops we'll need or desktops we'll need to work on our blogs from yesterday.